Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a sturdy container and organizing essentials. This is the only way to make a reliable medicine box. Lay out bandages, antiseptic, scissors, tweezers, disposable gloves, and a small flashlight. Once done, add personal medications in labeled blister packs, plus a printed dosing card and emergency contact list. Make sure to include a thermometer and a basic pain reliever. These cover most immediate needs. You will work methodically. Group items by use, so retrieval is fast during stress. You now sort items into function-based compartments: wound care, medications, tools. Put bandages and dressings in one pouch, antiseptics and ointments in another. Once done, cushion fragile vials with foam and secure liquids upright using sealed bags to prevent leaks. Make an expiration log and attach it to the lid so you can rotate items every 3 months. Use a waterproof pen to update doses or notes. This detailed organization prevents confusion and keeps You finish by running a complete inventory and sealing the box. Lock the latch, attach the checklist, and store it in a cool, dry, labeled spot out of children's reach. Once done, inform household members of the location and review basic use of contents. If something goes wrong, missing items, expired meds, or leaks, replace immediately and retest the flashlight and seals. Make sure to schedule a quarterly check. That single habit keeps the medicine box dependable when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.